This is the goblet squat. For the goblet squat, we're gonna pick up the dumbbell. You can put your hands underneath like this, pop it up. Okay, we're gonna hold it like a goblet. So hands underneath this way, elbows up and forward. Your normal rack position, so hips are forward, heads high. Feet are gonna be shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed outwards. And from here, in this position, all we're gonna be doing is dropping our butt down and trying to think like we're trying to sit on our heels. And then we push through the ground and pop back up. So we stay nice and tall, drop our butt to our heels, and then push up. As you can see, I'm going in between my legs. So I'm not going on top of my feet, I'm dropping in between my legs so my knees go right, my elbows go right inside my knees like that. If we look from the side, you can see as I drop down, my hands go forward slightly. You can either keep it close or out forward. If you keep it out forward a little bit, it's gonna work these guys a bit more. So early on, I actually like to keep it out a bit more just to stimulate the abs more and really ingrain good technique. As you get better and better, you can keep it closer and closer. The longer legs you are, it'll just help you stay a bit more upright if you push it out a bit. If you have more of a longer torso, it's easier to keep inside.